Are you feeling tired, hopeless, disappointed, or even confused? You applied for so many jobs online, but for somehow, even if you think you are a perfect fit for the job, but you don't land job interviews. You question yourself, am I not good enough? Is it because there are too many competitions? Maybe you are wrong. Maybe you are the perfect fit, but because your CV is not right, that's why you don't get job interviews. I've been in the recruitment business for over 12 years, firstly as a headhunter, and then joined one of my clients as the head of recruitment. I screened thousands of CVs and personally interviewed over 20,000 people. I can tell immediately what's wrong in a CV. Here's 3 biggest mistakes I see in a CV. The first one is it's not relevant. Most people have one CV and apply for multiple jobs. It's impossible that 2 jobs are exactly the same. The second one, the CV is too difficult to read. The format is complicated. Maybe the applicant tried to make it fancy, but it's actually not the best idea. Think about it. If you can click a button and send application, other people can do the same. For a hot job, for example, Facebook, if they advertise some jobs, I guarantee you they receive hundreds of applicants on a daily basis. If your CV is difficult to read, there's no chance the recruiters or hiring managers will give you more time to read your CV. The third mistake I see is it looks like a job description or task list. It's very boring. I have to figure out what exactly this person can do for the job, can do for the company. If I have hundreds of applicants, there's no chance the recruiter will spend more time to figure it out. So, what can you do to craft a winning CV that will catch the hiring manager's eye immediately? When they read it, they say, wow, that's the one I want to invite for an interview. Here are 2 tips I could give you to make your CV stand out and immediately catch the eyes of hiring managers and recruiters. Number 1, keep it simple. If they have hundreds of CV to read, do you think it's your responsibility to make it simple and they can easily tell what exactly you can offer and they can pick up the key elements immediately? Secondly, put yourself in their shoes. As a hiring manager or recruiter, what I'm looking for is not your features. It's not how many degrees, certificates you have, or your task list or your responsibilities. What catches my eye is the thing. The thing is your value add. Give you an example. If you buy a drill, is it because you want a drill for the sake of the drill? No. You need the drill to drill a good hole. The same for your CV. They hire you for a job because there is a problem they need you to solve. Maybe it's save money, make money for the company, save time. So think about what can you do? What's the benefits if they hire you? If you found this video useful, or maybe someone find it useful, please feel free to share with them and like and comment. If you have further questions, leave your comment below and I will personally answer these questions. And I actually prepared some gifts for you. I have a free CV template. You can just fill in the blanks or copy paste your old CV into it to make it standard, to guarantee you have a higher chance to get interviews. And I'll also give you 2 sample CVs, so at least you could have a model. You'll see, okay, what's the right way to write a winning CV. And I'll also give you 17 golden rules based on my many years of experience to guide you step by step. What are the key elements you should put in your CV? What are the key areas you will be careful of? I hope you found this video useful and see you next time.